Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do follow me on such of these things: Facebook, WhatsApp, email, LinkedIn, etc. So for today's topic, we are discuss about how we can use of Google Classroom in teaching learning. So the Google Classroom is a free web service by Google aim to simplify creating, distributing and grading assignment in a paperless way. The primary purpose is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. It combines Google Drive for assignment creation and distribution, Google Docs, Sheets and Slide for writing, Gmail for communication, and Google Calendar for scheduling. Mobile apps available for iOS and Android service. Teachers can monitor the process for which each student, and after being graded, teachers can return work with comments. However, to use it, institute need to sign for the Google for Education package by providing domain and host detail. So how to create Google Classroom, like manage teaching and learning with the classroom. So go to the Google Classroom. To start Google Classroom, visit the site edu.google.com/products/classroom, or just Google it with the name go to Classroom. Then this is the Google Classroom homepage. You can see these are the different classes. So we can see the existing classes. To create new class, click on the plus symbol which is available on this corner, this one. Then create or join classes. So you can create class, or if you want to join in an existing class, so you can join by giving the code. So to join a class from here, code is required. Click on the create class to produce further. So these are the accepting Google term and condition. So this is the terms and condition. If so, your school must sign up for a free G Suite for Education account before you can use Classroom. This is the term and condition. So you accept it and then continue. Then it required class details. So you have to be mention class name. So as we are written linear algebra, then section M.Sc, subject mathematics, and room if you want to write you can, otherwise no required. So enter name which is compulsory and other details, right? And then you go to the creating. So upon clicking on create, class will be created. So layout of the newly created class is something like that. So here you can see this is the stream, this is class room, then this pupil and this graded. So created class with classwork, pupil and graded. Upcoming detail options to share a post, theme, etc. So these are the upcoming things which you can share. So this the class code for to invite people. So this is the class code where you can give to the your student so they can easily join. Each class has a code as displayed above. So using the class code, student and teacher can join the class. And if you are going by pupil, you are clicking on pupil, so you can add teachers in this teacher section, add teachers, and students in the student section by inviting them and giving the this code. So other way to inviting is sending individual mail to join the class. Sharing class code makes easier but need to be caution. So invite teachers, type a name or email and then send it. Right? Posting messages to class. So you can post any message to the class, you just add. After adding student, we can post message from class home page. We can include file along with the information. So Google Spreadsheet, these are the spreadsheet. Click on classwork to post assignment, quiz, material, etc. Paperless assignment is a key feature of Google Classroom. Creating assignment, already type assignment question can be added or can created. Options to give marks, due dates, etc. These are the, you can like matrix multiplication, then this option, and then you can give points and here you can fix the due dates. If you have already insert assignment from your drive, if you have already assignment in your drive as like this in PDF file, so you can add this with this, click on this, select it and then add. Then automatically it is added in your assignment page. So a student can allow to only view or edit or download a copy. Click on assign to post the assignment to the class. So you just click on this arrow, this one, so it will be posted. So adding quiz to class, you can make a quiz and give any title to this, then add some online, like you can make or you can insert it. You can insert already prepared quiz using Google form or create new. So we can set time limit here using due date options. So grading students, you can grade students. So as you are seeing graph theory, so these are the students, they giving graph assignments. So you can easily see that who are missing it or who are not, who are already submitted. So student marks students not submitted assignment or quiz, class average for each classwork. Then classroom setting, you can go to the setting and you can make some basic settings you can change, as it is a score overall graded to students. So thank you very much. Like by using these very simple things, you can make Google Classroom and you can use in your teaching and learning process. So which is very useful nowadays, and it's a very helpful to the teachers and student for making their teaching in a simple and easy way. So thank you very much for watching my video. Stay tuned with my channel. So once again, thank you very much.